Now, good morning, students. Yesterday, I have started the exercise 6.1. Already one sum is discussed. Now start to second sum. Question is lines X, Y, and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree and ratio of these two angles is given, that is 2:3, then find angle C. Now solution: angle POX plus angle POY equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Angle POX plus angle POY value is given 90 degree. So 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle POX equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Subtract it, get the value 90 degree. Now angle POX divided into two angles. One is A, another is B. So angle POX equal to sum of angle MOX plus angle POM, and the value is given A and B. So let A and B be 2x degree and 3x degree. Now angle POX equal to angle MOX plus angle POM. So value of POX is 90 degree equal to MOX, that is B, 3x plus 2x degree. So 3x plus 2x equal to 90. 5x, now add this to 3 plus 2, 5. So 5x equal to 90. X equal to 90 by 5. Now divide it. 18. Therefore A equal to 2x degree equal to 2 into 18 degree equal to 36 degree. B equal to, that is B, 3x degree. So 3x degree, 3 into 18, 54. So we got the value of A and B. Now in this question you have find the value of C. So and B plus C equal to 180 degree. Reason: linear pair axiom. Angle B you got, that is 54 degree. So 54 degree plus C equal to 180 degree. C equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. 6 degree. So angle C is 126 degree. So you got a value of angle C. Next question. Angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So first we draw figure. Straight line make a triangle. P Q S R T. Angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. So prove that PQS is equal to PRT. So solution. Angle PQS equal to angle P plus angle PRQ by exterior angle property of a triangle. Now angle PRQ equal to angle PQR, that is given in question. So angle PQS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. So PRQ is PQR. So in place of PRQ, we write that one. So it becomes PQS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Now angle PRT equal to angle P plus angle PQR by exterior angle property of a triangle. Now write that one, this one 2. So from 1 and 2, see PQS equal to angle P plus angle PQR, angle PRT equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Right hand side equal, therefore PQS equal to angle PRT. Proved. Now next question. If x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Now draw figure. A O B C D. So this one X Y Z W. Now solution. AOB is a straight line. So angle AOC plus 180 degree, region linear pair x1. AOC equal to 180 degree. According to figure, change that one. X plus y equal to 180 degree. Take Roman 1. Now angle BOD plus angle DOA equal to 180 degree, linear pair axiom. So BODW plus Z equal to 180 degree. Roman 2. Now adding 1 and 2. So x plus y x plus y plus x plus y. So here is this one x plus y. So 180 degree. This becomes 360 degree. X plus y equal to w plus z. That is given in question. So in place of w plus z, put write x plus y. So now 2 times x is there and 2 times y is there. So 2x plus y equal to 360 degree. X plus y equal to, take that one on right hand side, equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles is 180 degree. Therefore, hence AOB is a line. Question number 5. POQ is a line ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray line between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Now draw a line. POQSR. Now solution. Angle QOR equal to 90 degree. So angle QOR equal to angle POR, that means POR also 90 degree because sum of angles is 180 degree. This POR, the sum of angle ROS plus angle SOP. Now angle QOS minus angle ROS equal to angle ROS plus angle POS. You can write in this way, POS also, because both angles are same. Now take that one, angle QOS. This, take this angle POS on left hand side, becomes minus POS, and minus ROS take on right hand side, so minus become plus. So first to write that one, angle ROS plus angle ROS. Write that one, angle QOS minus POS, angle ROS plus angle ROS becomes 2 angle ROS So change that one to angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So angle ROS. Take this to our right hand side. Here it is in multiplication, so it will change into division. So 1 by 2 first bracket angle QOS minus angle POS, which you have to prove. So write here proved.